Hey, what up, guys? This is Zombie Spartan here. Recently I just cut down a tree, and I'm gonna leave it here for a little bit. I'm gonna use it in the near future. So I'm going to leave my machete here. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna go further into the woods. Ow, hurt. I got my Bowie knife. I got my tomahawk. I got my water backpack on. Just gotta set it all up. If I had a zombie chasing me right now, I would be dead because this tomahawk is pretty sharp and I could not run with this because it's stabbing me in the side. And right here's a spider web. Spider. We just flick that spider bye-bye. Spider. Okay. You go through there, push against the another spider web. Ew. Yeah, y'all gotta be careful out here. Because I'm closer to Georgia, which I live in Florida, but I'm really close to the Florida-Georgia line. And there's plenty of rattlesnakes out here. Hopefully today we will find one. So yeah. Ow. Bug. Dead bug. Kind of hurts. I'm just showing y'all where I would be going during a zombie apocalypse. In the near future, I hope to be buying a underground bunker, which costs $6,999. It's not that bad in price. Holds up to 10 people and cargo stuff. So yeah, it's technically a storm shelter, but it has 3 locks on it from the inside and the outside. Squirrel. God dang it, mosquitoes. Ow, ow. Okay, getting a little too personal here. I gotta go, guys. Ow, I'm getting really bad. Not one spot. Okay, guys. I'm gonna make my way back this way. Show you all what I have over here, or what we have over here. Take my tomahawk out real quick. Fucking spider webs and everything. Man, spiders survive. Right here we have a gopher turtle, which is caved in. A pile of ants. God, this hurts. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, guys. Peace out.